Nature has a way of enchanting us with its awe-inspiring landscapes and breathtaking vistas, and few places exemplify this more than the Appalachian Mountains. Spanning over 2,000 miles across the eastern region of North America, the Appalachians hold a rich tapestry of history, biodiversity, and natural splendor. From the rolling hills of the southern region to the rugged peaks of the north, these mountains have captivated the hearts and minds of both locals and visitors for centuries. The Appalachian Mountains, often referred to as the Appalachians, are one of the oldest mountain ranges in the world. Formed over 480 million years ago, these ancient mountains boast a geological history that predates the existence of dinosaurs. Over time, erosion and tectonic forces have sculpted the land, creating a landscape that is both picturesque and geologically fascinating. Stretching from Newfoundland in Canada to Alabama in the United States, the Appalachian Mountains traverse 14 states and showcase a diverse range of ecosystems. From dense forests teeming with wildlife to cascading waterfalls and pristine rivers, the region is a haven for outdoor enthusiasts and nature lovers alike. One of the defining features of the Appalachian Mountains is the famous Appalachian Trail, a 2,190-mile footpath that winds its way through the range. Hiking this trail is a bucket-list adventure for many, as it offers an unparalleled opportunity to immerse oneself in the natural beauty of the mountains. The trail weaves through lush forests, crosses rocky ridges, and rewards hikers with breathtaking panoramic views from its numerous peaks. Within the Appalachian Mountains, you'll find an astonishing array of plant and animal species. The region is known for its biodiversity, harboring over 1,500 species of flowering plants and countless animal species, including black bears, white-tailed deer, bobcats, and a myriad of bird species. It's a hotspot of biological richness and serves as an important refuge for many endangered and threatened species. Apart from its natural wonders, the Appalachians hold a significant place in American history and culture. The region was home to numerous Native American tribes, including the Cherokee, Choctaw, and Creek, who have left their indelible mark on the area. The mountains also witnessed the westward expansion of European settlers, and their stories are etched into the towns and villages that dot the region. The Appalachian Mountains have a rich musical heritage deeply intertwined with the cultural fabric of the area. Bluegrass, country, and folk music have their roots in the Appalachian region, and the sound of banjos, fiddles, and dulcimers can still be heard in the mountain hollows and lively music festivals that celebrate the heritage of the mountains. As we cherish the natural wonders of the Appalachians, it is essential to recognize the need for conservation and sustainable practices. The delicate ecosystems and fragile species that inhabit these mountains require our care and protection. Efforts are being made to preserve the forests, safeguard the watersheds, and promote sustainable tourism that allows visitors to experience the mountains while minimizing environmental impact. The Appalachian Mountains stand as a testament to the grandeur of nature and the resilience of the human spirit. They remind us of the interconnectedness of all life and our responsibility to preserve and appreciate the natural world. Whether you are an adventurer seeking thrilling hikes or simply yearn for tranquility amidst breathtaking landscapes, the Appalachians offer a sanctuary that will leave an indelible mark on your soul.